This video will guide you through how to read and annotate a primary source document and answer document-based questions.
For this how-to video, you will need a primary source document, your document-based questions, a highlighter, writing utensil, and a blank piece of paper.
The 5 steps in reading and annotating a primary source document and answering the DBQs are 1. Read through the document. 2. Read through the DBQs. 3. Annotate the primary source document. 4. Answer the DBQ questions. And 5. Make reflections.
The first step when addressing a primary source document is to carefully read through the whole document one time. You want to make sure that you read through the document slowly and thoroughly to be able to digest the message of the document.
Step 2 when working through a primary source document and DBQs is to now give your full attention to all of the DBQs. You want to read through all of the questions once and underline any vocab within the questions that you don't understand. You will also want to underline questions that are confusing and need to be worded to better understand.
Now that we have a better understanding of what's being asked of us in the DBQs, we are ready for step 3. In step 3, you will need to turn your attention back to the primary source document and read through it a second time. This time, however, you will need a highlighter to highlight any materials in the document you think can be used as evidence and that is relevant in answering the DBQs.
In step 4, you will now need to go back to the DBQs and take the evidence that you found in the primary source document to answer the questions in your own words. Some students find it helpful to label each highlighted area with the question number that it is relevant to before they answer the question.
Now that the primary source document has been read through twice, it's been annotated, and the DBQs have been answered, step 5 requires you to reflect. Use a blank sheet of paper and pencil to write out a reflection response on what you think the overall message of the primary source document is, why it's relevant to what you're learning in class, and any questions you still have after completing the reading and DBQs.
So now let's do a quick review of the 5 steps of reading and annotating a primary source document and answering the DBQs. Step 1, read the primary source document. Step 2, read the DBQs. Step 3, annotate the primary source document. Step 4, answer the DBQs. And step 5, reflection.
Thanks for watching our how-to video. Hope this was helpful and good luck.